Hello traders, and welcome to another educational video titled The Three Black Crows. Let's go through the specs and examine how to easily identify this bearish reversal pattern on our price chart. First, we have to identify the rally, the uptrend, and near the top of this uptrend, we can spot three long black bodies, each opening near the previous session's low. Very easy to identify, and of course this reversal pattern has bearish implications. Good, let's identify it now on a real price chart, and here we are. It's very easily identified. It's at the top of the rally, at the top area of the uptrend, and after we identified it, of course, the rest is history. The market declined. Good. Let's explore our first basic strategy. I'm sure you can identify the uptrend consisting of higher tops and higher bottoms. And near the top area, near a resistance area, we identify the three black crows, consisting of three long black bodies, each opening near the previous body's closing price. Good. Now, since we identify a bearish reversal pattern at the top of a rally, we're going to place a sell order right below the low price of the pattern, and then, as always, a protective stop loss right above the high price of the pattern. Good. Now, take profit strategy is seen at the 200% and the 300% level, meaning that we're going to close part of our trade at the 200% and another part at the 300%. But any time we identify any reversal pattern in the opposite direction, then it's a good excuse to close the entire trade. Good. Now another strategy here, and we add our favorite oscillator in this case. And after we identify the three black crows at the top of the rally, we take a look at the oscillator, and it happens to be in the overbought area. In this case, I use the RSI. So if it happens to be above 70 in the corresponding area on the chart where the three black crows is formed, then we have an additional tool pointing downwards, right? And we're going to enter the market with a sell order right below the pattern and a protective stop loss right above the high price of the pattern. Take profit strategy, I use the 261.8 or the 300% level. It's strictly up to you. So you can close part of your trade or the entire trade there, and you can leave a small amount of your trade to run even lower. But anytime you identify a reversal in the opposite direction, then it's a good excuse to exit the market. Now, one more strategy, and here I use the moving average, and more specifically the linear weighted moving average using a 20 period. Now, it's very important to see here that while the market was moving upwards, the candlesticks remain above the moving average. But then we see here three consecutive closes below the moving average, and these three consecutive closes have to do, of course, with the formation of the three black crows, and this is enough of an excuse to enter the market with a sell order right below the low price of the pattern, place a protective stop loss right above, and using a take profit strategy at the 200% level or a white body closing above the moving average. This will potentially give us more profit, but at the same time we might risk losing part of our profits. That's why I suggest that we use the reversal pattern in the opposite direction to exit the entire position, the entire trade, when we spot once again a reversal in the opposite direction. And one more to go. Three black crows using the momentum oscillator this time. So after we identify the three black crows on the top of the rally, at the top area of the uptrend, we take a look at the momentum oscillator that happens to be below 100 or below 0. It depends on the platform that you use. And this confirms our decision that the market most probably is going downwards. So we place a sell order right below the low price of the pattern and a protective stop loss right above the high area of our pattern. Take profit strategy. We close part of our trade at the 200%, another part at the 300%, and the remaining of the position at the 400% level. Again, we exit the entire trade anytime we identify, we spot any reversal pattern in the opposite direction. Good, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe below, like and comment. See you in a while with another educational video.